Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So guys, I hope you are having a fantastic Valentine's Day. Yes, I'm recording this on Tuesday of the 14th of Tuesday the 14th. So yes, it's Valentine's Day. So guys, one topic that we are going to be discussing a lot on this channel this year is blogging. That is because right now I'm so passionate, I'm so fired up to take my blog to the next level, and it is going on so well. I want you to take this chance, guys, to start a blog today. One of my best sayings, okay, the ones I created myself, is that whether you start a blog or any other business for that matter today or not, 5 years will come and go. So now you better start something right now so that you can celebrate in maybe 2 to 5 years. Okay. So yeah. So because the reason why I'm saying this is because starting a blog, I know it is a lot of work. I also know that it is not for people who are looking for instant money. It is an investment that takes time. But now, if you are patient enough and you work on it diligently, I can assure you that you'll reap big. So now, guys, today we are going to talk about how to start a blog in 2023 and make money. I had done a video, a detailed video of step by step procedure of how to to get started with the blogging, and I will link it up here. So I hope you can go and watch it. Right now, I'm just going to highlight the basics. So for the detailed procedure, you will go and watch that particular video. So guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. For those who are new here, I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, how to use money wisely, personal development, and just good things about yourself, how to develop yourself in all facets of life. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, give me that subscription by clicking the subscribe button, join the family, and let us grow together. So let's get into the video, guys. So now, generally, if you want to start a blog, if you have always loved writing, if you have an idea that you want to share with the world, if you are passionate about something, then you should start a blog, guys. Now, the first thing to do when you are ready to start a blog is to find a niche based on your passion, of course, and interest. I say your passion because, like I said, blogging takes time. So that means if you take something that will be boring or something that doesn't interest you, then you'll get bored along the way. And it is something that you will be doing for the next like 1 year or even more. Okay, so find something that you are passionate about. Personally, if you ask me today, I would say that I would love to write about exercise, fitness, because it is something that I'm really passionate about. I'm also passionate about motherhood, so I can also start a blog in the motherhood niche. I am also passionate about self development, self improvement. So, like you can see from my discussion, guys, you can be passionate about so many things. You don't have to limit yourself to just one. Okay. So, find a niche, and a niche will be something that you are interested in, something that you are passionate about. That is number one. Number two, choose a relevant domain name. So now you'll have to buy a domain name. Yeah, so you need to have a little money to start a blog. You cannot start entirely like without any expenses. Of course, there are free blogging platforms, but now we are blogging for money. We are not blogging for fun. Yeah, of course, we will have fun along the way, but now our main aim of starting a blog in 2023 is to make money. So now, if you want to make money, then you need to buy a domain, and you can buy a domain on different websites. We have my favorite is Namecheap. First and foremost, I see they're cheap. Namecheap, they're cheap. Okay, they're affordable. Let me use the word affordable. So they're affordable and they're good for beginners. And then also the procedure for buying a domain and even hosting is very simple and straightforward. So now that is my go-to. I also have experience buying from Bluehost. It's also a good hosting company. Uh, we also have HostGator. We have like so many of them. You can even go and read reviews online before you choose the one that you prefer. But for me personally, Namecheap carries the day. Okay, so number three, purchase a shared hosting plan. Yes, you have to host your website. Again, if you are into it to make money, a free one will not help you much. A free one will only help you to maybe just document your life or your experiences. But now, like I said, we are in it to make money. So now you'll buy a hosting. So number four, you'll buy a WordPress theme, and this one, guys, you can do without. Only that if you want to make your website or blog more beautiful, then you can decide to buy a WordPress theme. Otherwise, there are so many of them that are free and just functional. They work so perfectly, so you don't have to buy one when you're starting out. Yeah. So number five, set up your blog by watching YouTube videos. Yeah. Thank God for YouTube, right? So now you can watch YouTube and set up your website successfully. Again, you can when you go to hosting companies like Bluehost, they have a procedure, simple procedure that you can just follow to set up your own website. But again, guys, you don't need to have any technical skills or coding skills to actually set up your website. A simple website will take you like just 30 minutes to set it up. But you don't have to go through all this if you don't want to, because there are people who can do that for you at a fee. So you can employ a professional website developer to develop a professional website for you. Okay, yeah. So that's it about developing a website. And then now number six, you have to perform keyword research, and then you start writing. Now this is very, very important, guys. This is the most important stage in your blogging journey, because it will break or make your success. Yeah. So now good keyword research is what will guarantee that your website content is ranking in the first pages of Google and other search engines. So now in the next video, I will do a video on how I do my keyword research. Now, guys, just remember that there's a lot of information on the internet, on YouTube, and everywhere on how to start a blog, on how to look for keywords, and everything else. What I'm sharing on this channel is my journey. Yeah. So you can pick a thing or two if you think that it is relevant or it is helpful to you. And if you can also go and watch other videos or do your own research on Google and come up with your own ideas. So now I will do a video on how to look for keywords. Now, you need to look for keywords for by keywords, I mean, now the topics that you'll be writing about, they need to be relevant to your niche first and foremost. And then secondly, they need to be things that people are searching for. You know, one big mistake that I did when I was starting out with my first blog, which never saw the light of day, by the way, is that I was writing only about the things that interested me. I had just given birth to my now 4-year-old, and I was so passionate about parenting, you know. So I was just sharing my journey. I didn't care what my readers wanted to see or to read. Now that's good if you just want to share your journey. But now, like I said, we are here to make money, yeah. So that means that I need to be considerate on what my readers are looking for, the questions that they want answered, and the products that they're looking to buy and all that. So that is the importance of doing keyword research. And then another thing, by the way, guys, when it comes to writing for your blog, make sure that when it comes to writing content, guys, like I said, this is something that you'll be doing for a very long time. And you need to be consistent. When you when you decide to post like today, make sure that you do that consistently. Like if you decide to post twice per week, make sure you're doing that. I always say that everything that you do online needs consistency, whether it is YouTube, whether it is blogging, anything. If you want to get a reward, a big reward from whatever you are doing, you need consistency. So make sure you are posting consistently so that the algorithm can learn your pattern, and also, so that you can show people that you are always there to produce fresh and relevant content in your niche. Yeah. So number 7, implement digital marketing and SEO strategy to drive traffic. Yeah. So you don't just write your content and keep quiet. You have to drive traffic to your website. Now, one of the ways is, of course, by doing good keyword research. Personally, what I do, as long as I do very good keyword research, that means I look for like keywords that people are searching for. Yes, so it has search volume, and then it is also low competition, so it has not been blocked to death. Yeah, so you also need to consider that. Now, there are other things that you need to do. You need to optimize internally, like you need to do internal linking, and then you also need to, of course, make your content high quality and relevant. You need to show that you have done your research well by also linking outside. So you also link to other authority sites. Don't just link to any other site. Link to a site that has authority. So you can do this by checking their domain rating and all that. And then I know there are so many things that you have to do to drive traffic. Others include using your social media. You can also post your content on Pinterest, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, or just on any other social media platform, even on YouTube, so that people can click and go and read your content. Uh, but now, personally, what I prefer doing is just as long as I have done good keyword research and I have done internal linking, that's all that I do, honestly. So, and that is how I have been able to rank. Yeah. Now, right now, I am number 1 with several of my posts on a blog that I started last year in July. So now, finally, you can now monetize your content. Yes, this is the best part, but now it doesn't come by just setting up a website and sitting back. You have to do all that work. You have to be consistent with posting high quality content, do your SEO properly, make sure that you have the required traffic to join any monetization company. If you are going to monetize with ads, there are several of the ad companies out there. Personally, I'm currently monetizing with Ezoic. Ezoic requires you to have 10,000 page views before you are accepted. There are other companies. You can also monetize with AdSense. We have Mediavine that requires 50,000 sessions. So now, like, you'll keep growing. Yeah, that is the best part about this. If you continue being consistent and just writing good quality content and sharing your journey as the time goes by, you will grow and join even better paying ad companies. You can also monetize with affiliate marketing. Don't just limit yourself. The most popular one is Amazon affiliate, but now there are others that you can Google, learn about them, and then join them. So now, depending on the products that will be promoting on your website, you can join one or several affiliate companies and monetize your content. You can also monetize by selling your own products. If you have an ebook, if you have a course, if you have if you have a podcast, just anything. So you can also monetize your content by advertising your own services, your own products and services. So guys, that's all about starting a blog in 2023 and earning from it. I hope you have learned something, guys. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell. And let's meet in the next video, okay? Bye.